look like I'm cleaning with the usual toxic chemical cleaners, but I'm using an alternative natural cleansers. You can too. You don't need to use those sudsy detergents that leave behind a soapy film and incidentally create a biohazard when you wash them down the drain. All you need to use is baking soda. It cuts right through the dirt and neutralizes odors naturally. A classic motif without the artificiality that has crept into so many modern works. Now, if you're using a standard aerosol furniture polish, you're spraying silicone and solvents on your furniture. You're giving your furniture a nice shine, but doing nothing to preserve the wood. I recommend a natural polish made up of mineral oil, which you can purchase at any supermarket. A stunning performance with subtle nuances hinting at the greatness beneath the surface. If you want to freshen up a carpet, I find that the following method works extremely well. Just sprinkle some cornstarch on your carpet, wait a few minutes, then vacuum. I like to add a tiny bit of cinnamon for a spicy scent. And how could you treat a masterpiece like this with common abrasive chemicals? A masterpiece of traditional craftsmanship.
You've just spent 2 minutes on Earth. Thanks for taking the time.